gratitude is not just words. Hindi lang siya thank you na sinasabi. It shapes your heart. Because when you live thankful, you become softer, happier, more at peace. Less complaining, less comparing, less stressed. Bakit? Because gratitude is focused on the good. Ang heart mo ay nandun sa mabuti. On grace, on God. And that changes you. Nanggagaling sa loob, papunta sa labas. Kaya kung pakiramdam mo ay mabigat ngayong araw, try mo ang gratitude. Not fake positivity, but real thanksgiving. Yung, Lord, thank you kahit sa maliit na bagay. And watch how your heart begins to shift. Because in the kingdom, a thankful heart is a transformed heart. Hinihintay lang ng Diyos na magpasalamat ka sa lahat ng kabutihan niya. At alam mo, dadagdagan pa niya.